Hello everyone. So today I'm going to pitch about Phasian. So this is a project Phasian. This is a PPT. So Phasian is actually a Azure-powered code-to-cure platform using generative AI to design personalized phage therapies for antibiotic-resistant. So this our vision is scaling the first automated phage factory for the silent pandemic of superbugs. So this is a problem statement. So as I said, antibiotic resistance are increasing rapidly, making bacterial infections harder to treat. So, what are the challenges we face? Identification of the antibiotic resistant genes, detection of bacterial defense mechanism, CRISPR systems, and time consuming and complex phase design process. Existing genome analytic tools are fragmented and largely manual, and lack of real time AI driven pathogenic and emergence risk assessment. If we delay the infections, they actually harm humans more, and finding an antibiotic and taking years together. Now, if we actually see researchers, like whatever you do, people suggest you to do research so that you get paid high. The same thing because so what is the impact here? So delayed response of resistance infections and higher research cost. If you are going to do a research, it costs us many high. It costs us much more. And one more thing is it takes a lot of time to do research manually. It takes, as per what we have researched, it takes minimum of 15 to 20 years or maximum of 20 years to do one particular research. So this is a very high time. Using AI powered, we can actually reduce the time to do research. So that is why we present Phasian. So now let's see what solution we have prepared. Okay. So Phasian provides an AI-driven platform for automated bacterial genome analysis and phase design. So here what we do, we take inputs in a FASTA file and we take the inputs. You can see in our demo video, we have showed the demo video of a prototype. We'll take FASTA file uploads or text file uploads, which will get inputted, and then we'll receive all the clean detailed report of the bacteria. And what are key capabilities? FASTA-based bacterial genome upload and analysis, detection of antibiotic-resistant gene and CRSPR defense analysis, pathogenic and emergence risk assessment, AI-powered phage design with binding affinity, prediction, and safety validation. We make sure that the bacteria, how much safe it is for you. Even you have risk measurement is shown, like how much high risk it is, low risk it is to a human body. And then we can see what are the outcomes. It is faster, accurate, explainable development of targeted phage therapies with reduced cost and turnaround time. Now this is our architecture, system architecture. So we have the data ingestion layer, AI genomic analysis, risk intelligence layer, and phase design and output layer. In the data ingestion layer, we actually upload the file where you will get to know what the AI what we have prepared will analyze your file and give you the output. And here actually what output you got is actually presented to you. It will show all the analysis like CISPR, content normalization, what all output you got. It is all mentioned. And risk and intelligence layer, it will show you what is the risk of that pathogen and environmental pressure analysis, phase host compatibility and scoring. And then next is design and output. It will even show you the protein design, how it will look so that for better understanding. And you have safety and toxicity validation. So this is a system architecture. Now we can see the key features of our project, which is killer section, that is AI identifies high potency phages and removes unsafe sleeper genes, and shield breaker maps bacterial defenses and to ensure phase bypasses immunity. Rapid discovery smart assistants, we have an assistant which will clear all your doubts. You have to take your report and give it to the assistant, and it will generate a deeper detail, and it will explain that report a very simple way that you can understand it. And we even have a safety guard and a AI interactive chat, like it will explain you with real world scenarios also. And this is the technology stack. We have used data APIs backend we have used Python, and AI we have used risk prediction, feature extraction, phase design, data storage. We have used sequence files in MongoDB. Frontend we have used React dashboard deployment. We have used render and version. And this is the AIML models, genome feature and extraction models, antibiotic resistance detection models, and you can see CISPR and bacterial system, pathogenic and emergence risk reduction, and phase design and optimization models. And what are the applications of a project? It is antibiotic resistance, phage therapy, and precision genome medicine. AI in healthcare. Healthcare is a very booming industry right now. And CISPR and bacterial defense analysis, clinical research acceleration. It will accelerate all the research process. It will help in understanding the bacteria better, so you can find the solution for it more earlier, and it will reduce the research time very much. And this is the impact: accelerated R&D and personalized therapy, improved outcomes, and globalized resistance. And this is the future enhancements and conclusion. Okay. So what are enhancements we can do in the future? Responsible AI, human in the loop validation, and transparent decision making, secure data usage. Future vision is real-time phase design at farms and clinics. Integration with portable sequencing, global AMR response network, quantum-enabled biological explanation. And at the end, I can conclude that we are eradicating the silent pandemic. So eradicating the So at the end, I can conclude that eradicating the silent pandemic of the superbugs using the Microsoft AI, global access, and Azure Power Assistant that makes complex genome engineering accessible to all the researchers in low resource regions. Also, it is accessible. And the closing statement: we don't just find cures; we help you to understand the bacteria and find a antidote. And at the closing statement, I can say we are just not helping you to find the solution for the bacteria. We are helping you to understand the bacteria completely so you can find the solution quicker and we reduce the research time by much more. Thank you so much.